Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google virtual tour on your GoDaddy website builder. This is a fantastic way to showcase properties, locations, or any immersive 360-degree experience directly on your site, making it more interactive and engaging for your visitors. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, you'll need to head over to GoDaddy, open your browser, and navigate to godaddy.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login area where you need to type in your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your GoDaddy dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your GoDaddy services and products. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu and click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage your website builder and all its features. Once you click on Website, you'll be directed to your website overview page. This page gives you a snapshot of your site's status and various management options. Now locate the Edit Site button, which you'll find on the right side of your screen. Clicking this button will open up your GoDaddy website editor, allowing you to make changes and add new elements to your site. This is where the real customization begins. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to embed your virtual tour. Scroll down through your website and locate the specific section where you want to add your Google virtual tour. This could be on your homepage, a dedicated property page, or any other location that makes sense for your content. Once you've found the right spot, hover your cursor over the GoDaddy editor interface and you'll see an option to Add Section. Click on it to insert a new section into your page. After adding the section, a right side menu will appear. This is your Add Elements menu, which contains all the tools and widgets you can add to your website. From the Add Elements menu, look for and click on the Files and Web option. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From these options, click on HTML. This is the key feature that allows you to embed custom code into your GoDaddy site. After selecting HTML, click on Add a Code Editor window will now appear on your screen. This is where you'll paste the embed code for your virtual tour. You can obtain this embed code from various platforms such as Zillow, Realtor, or Matterport, depending on where your virtual tour is hosted. Simply copy the embed code from your chosen platform, paste it into this code editor, and your virtual tour will be seamlessly integrated into your website. Give it a moment to load and render properly on the page. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded a Google virtual tour on your GoDaddy website. Your visitors can now explore immersive 360-degree experiences right from your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.